Headed back to the desert. Going back to Doha. Had an amazing time here in the Cape Town. I will be back. But for now, pinkies up because we're been upgraded to business class. This is the A350. I'm headed from Cape Town back to Doha, and decided to upgrade myself on this flight just to check out the Qsuites on Qatar Airways. Very impressed so far. Well done. Well done.
Hello sir, welcome on the Here's the lounge where you can provide them.
Thank you so much. A lounge wear. Let's get comfortable. Travel bag. Let's see what's inside of here. Socks, some lotions, and then just a spray, body spray with that. As you can see, lots of space. I'm not the tallest tree in the forest. This is more than enough leg space for me. Can't wait to lie flat, probably do some editing, and then go to sleep. Let's see what's on today's menu. I just want to get the pan-seared beef tenderloin and some fruit. Not horribly hungry, but they got a pretty nice selection on here. Mocktails, cold beverages, pretty much anything you can think of. And the wine list. Nice selection. Change clothes into the pajamas. Nice comfy fit.
Many hours later.
Man, I was out of there. Flight attendants, they trying to wake me up twice. No go. The flight was 9.5 hours. So I think I slept about 7 hours. Wow. Time to get ready to land. We're almost in Doha. And we just landed. I don't remember falling asleep though. That's the thing. I watched some of a movie, and hours later, the flight, I heard the captain come on and say, "Welcome to Doha." It was amazing. I'm never riding coach again.
This was my first time on Qatar Airways Qsuites. I promise you it won't be my last. If you get an opportunity, take it. It's worth it. I promise. Hit like, share, subscribe, tune in for more adventures. One way to Qatar. Peace.